Dear friends, 25 years have passed since the humongous fuss the world made about Y2K. Some of you may not even have heard about Y2K, but that's a story for another time. Suffice to say that we have completed a quarter century after the beginning of this one. These 25 years have witnessed massive changes in technology and medicine. Our mobile phones have become veritable computers with computing power way beyond our imagination at the start of this century. Medicine too has seen leaps and bounds. We use robots for ultra-precision surgery. PET scans have become ubiquitous. Biologicals have flooded the market for diseases we could never hope to treat earlier. A cure for SMA is a case in point. Cancer is no longer the dreaded curse that we were accustomed to. Radiologists have become surgeons. Ultrasonic ablation of specific nuclei in the brain to treat movement disorders are available everywhere, and the list goes on. Our specialty, physical medicine and rehabilitation too, has undergone massive changes. We are now in the phase of acute and hyper-acute rehabilitation. Upper limb robotics and robotics for gait training has become available everywhere. We can implant high-precision pumps to deliver drugs into the spinal canal on a continuous basis. Implantable nerve stimulators have given us another avenue to treat our patients. We use magnetic fields to stimulate the brain and also use hyperbaric oxygen for regenerative rehabilitation. This frenetic pace of innovation throws up some unique challenges. Not all our postgraduates can be trained in all these innovative tech along with the skills that they need to develop. For this, they have to depend upon people and places where these innovative tech and people with the skills converge. The IAPMRCON 2026 will be just such an opportunity. It will make all its participants experience a blend of tech and skills. We will be showcasing the skills we have developed in India and the practice of rehabilitation medicine for this. Just like our space program, rehabilitation medicine in India also oozes efficiency. It is time we showed off. We expect to show it to our countrymen and to people in our neighborhood and even from far-off shows. So, expect IAPMRCON 2026, our national conference, to be inclusive in participation and content with people from all over the world. Our delegates and our resource persons will come from India and from around the globe. We will have experts in spinal cord regeneration, tetraplegic hand reconstruction, and prototherapy participating in the whole conference and the workshops. Most of all, our young physiatrists and people who train our trainees will be participating, and we will showcase our own research to the rest of the world. Crucially, we aim to increase participation in our conference. We are hoping to host at least 1,000 people, including delegates and their accompanying person. We promise that this year, exceptionally, the award amounts will exceed 500,000 rupees. So get your papers ready and prepare well. Participate in the quiz competition and get outstanding rewards. In addition to the above, we will host competitions that will have attractive prizes attached to it. Our programs for the evenings will leave you exhilarated. Tours, visits, and shopping for accompanying persons will have no parallel. The Kochi Musee's Biennale will thrill the art lovers among us. Both conference evenings will have uniquely crafted entertainment programs. There will be a free sea cruise for all the participants in the workshop on the 11th of February. Our cultural programs will encourage participation from delegates. So, singers, fashionistas, and dramatists, get prepared. The gala dinner and the accompanying entertainment will regale you. February the 14th is Valentine's Day. Therefore, bring along your husbands, wives, girlfriends, boyfriends, and take part in our unique dance competition. It will have generous rewards attached for the winners. There will be no confusion despite the wide array of programs planned. Our dedicated conference app will be a one-stop shop for all details of the conference, including venues, speakers, transport arrangements, and the whole of it. We will be assisted in this endeavor by the best-in-class event managers, Anquist Business Consulting Limited. Therefore, please join us, the Kerala chapter of IAPMR, and make this conference the great success that we are planning it to be. Register early, book your rooms and your tickets, and come to Kochi. Welcome, one and all.